Hello friends, and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Katrina and I am an Australian mum to 2 young kids, and I share lots of cleaning motivation, grocery hauls, meal plans, meal prep and dinner ideas here on my channel. If those things interest you, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel out and I just appreciate it so much. Also, for those of you who are already subscribed and returning, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I truly appreciate having each and every one of you here. It means more to me than you could know. So I just wanted to take this time to quickly say thank you for that. I am trying to figure out a schedule where I can get 2 videos out a week, because I do have some people that prefer my cleaning motivation here, and then I have some people that are here for the grocery hauls and meal plans. So I want to try to get one of each of those out a week for you guys. Please let me know in the comments down below which day you like to watch YouTube the most, or what day you like your meal inspiration and things like that, because I'd love to try to figure out days that work best for my viewers, because of course I am only making these videos for you guys. So I would, of course, and I love doing it, but you are the ones that are watching. So I need to try to get them out on days that you guys prefer. So please let me know in the comments. I would love to try to figure out a way to make most of you happy in that way. So please do that. Now, today's video is a short one. I'm going to start off by sharing my meal plan for the week, and then also what I'm going to be meal prepping to help that meal plan go a little bit smoother. And then I'm going to be showing you our grocery haul, and I'll be leaving the price at the end. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you get some ideas from this week's video. Let's get straight into it. So I've just written out my meal plan in my bullet journal again. I've just swapped out those sticky notes for anyone interested in how I do it. On Monday, we're going to be having salad with diced schnitzel. Tuesday is vegetable quiche. Wednesday is schnitzel and salad sandwiches with sweet potato fries on the side. Thursday is ravioli bolognese. That's a staple in our house every single week. On Friday is pie with mixed veg and mashed potato. On Saturday is oven pizza and garlic bread. We always have oven pizza every single week, at least one night a week, just so that I don't have to cook every single night. And then on Sunday, we're going to be having tuna pasta bake. For anyone interested in that recipe, I'm going to leave that linked in the description box down below. I have made a video on that before. And then for meal prep this week, I'm just going to be making up a bunch more smoothie bags because we are running low on those. I think I've only got 1 or 2 left in the freezer. I'm going to be doing some salad prep because we are having that early in the week. So I'll chuck a photo up on the screen here of the prep that I got done this week and how I do my salad prep. And then I'm going to be making up a big batch of bolognese sauce because we have run out of that as well. And then a bunch of hard-boiled eggs just to have in the fridge for when we want to snack and things. And then I'm also going to be making up a bunch of Halloween treats, but I can't tell you what they are yet because they're going to be shown in a video that is coming up later in the week that I'm very excited to share with you guys. So be sure you are subscribed to my channel with your bell notifications turned on to all so that you do not miss that video. So I'm just going to start over this side with the stuff that I've brought for the Halloween video. So I've just got 1 packet of the milk choc melts, 3 packets of the white choc melts, 2 packets of these mint M&Ms, 1 packet of the Reese's peanut butter cups, miniature ones. I've got a container of these little eyeballs, and I got some yellow and red food dye. I didn't end up using those, but yeah, this is just some of the ingredients that are going to be used in that video. If you have any guesses of what I'm going to be making, definitely leave them in the comments down below because it'd be so fun to see if anybody actually can guess just with seeing these ingredients. So I got 2 new toothbrushes for my kids. They were on special this week, so that worked out perfect. I grabbed 1 of these baby food pouches of sweet potato, lamb and couscous. Now, even though these aren't that healthy, I just grabbed this for my 1-year-old when we have pizza night because surely it is more healthy than pizza, right? And then I grabbed this big packet of frozen blueberries to put in oatmeal in the mornings, a kilo of green apples, 5 punnets of strawberries. They're still pretty cheap at the moment, so I'm still grabbing a lot of those while I can. And then 1 punnet of these raspberries for oatmeal as well. Grabbed 1 bunch of bananas. We normally grab more of those, but my toddler's into apples a bit more lately, so I grabbed a few less bananas this week. And then a packet of carrots here just to have veggie sticks. And I also grabbed 2 of these spicy capsicum dips. They are the best for veggie sticks. I grabbed some celery for that as well, which you can see in the middle there. And then I grabbed some avocados, some cucumber, and some feta for the salad this week. I also grabbed some spring onions for that, and the spinach is actually for the smoothie bags, but then I also grabbed a couple of these lettuce heads for the salads. And then I also got a small little container here of these tomatoes to go in the salad too. And I grabbed 2 of these butters. We did grab a couple of butters last week, but they're still on special, so I just like to stock up on those when I can, when they're cheaper. And then I have grabbed 2 dozen of these free range eggs just to help out with the vegetable quiche this week. And I have also gotten one of these vanilla flavored almond milk. I use that in my smoothies, and a 2 litre of this A2 full cream milk. I got 1 loaf of white bread, 2 boxes of my vanilla lattes that I have every day, and then these breakfast bakes I thought I would try out. So they're a new flavour. I haven't had these before. This is the roasted cashew and vanilla flavour. They are delicious. I definitely recommend these ones. I've had other flavours before too, and I really do like all of them, so definitely recommend those. And a box of brownies that's meant to be over here with the baking stuff for the Halloween video. So that is and I also grabbed some nappies, and sorry, I also forgot to mention I grabbed a packet of pretzels as well. So that is everything I grabbed this week. I will leave the price on the screen here. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to all so that you do not miss Thursday's bonus Halloween video. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Hope you're all having a fantastic week, and I will see you all in the next one.